The recent times have seen several biopics made in Hindi film industry that has literally set a trend towards making several biopics by filmmakers one after another. Even the audiences are crazy about biopic movies, and filmmakers are also interested to cash in on the opportunities that arise with any biopic. It is beneficial as they get a ready-made story and lots of easy promotional tactics. There are also some of the biopics waiting in line for release like 83, Sardar Udham Singh, Sam Manekshaw. But even after having a formula of ready-made hit, we have made a list of some biopics that have failed at the box office even after having a lot of buzz about it. And the films listed are Mangal Pandey, The Rising. The film, as the name suggests, is about the historic character of Mangal Pandey, set in 1857, one of the first revolutions against the East India Company. The film featured Amir Khan and Rani Mukherjee in lead roles. It was heavily criticized for its inaccuracy. The film showcased the relation of Mangal Pandey with a dancer played by Rani Mukherjee, which also backfired with people feeling that the iconic character was maligned with the unnecessarily altered script. Also, the focus of the film was on Mangal Pandey's relation with the British general instead of the revolution that took place. The film disappointed eventually at the box office as it failed to garner audience. Daddy. Daddy is the story of a real life gangster Arun Gawri based in Mumbai. Arjun Rampal, who played his character, was appreciated for his tremendous performance. But the film's promotion was quite average, which resulted in low ticket sales. Even though the film had a potential of becoming a hit, it didn't live up to its expectations. मैं और Charles. This one was another crime biopic based on the life of the Indian origin French serial killer Charles Sobraj. The character was played by Randeep Hooda. Even after good ratings, the film did not garner good numbers as it didn't have the star power to collect audience, nor was it promoted heavily. The film subsequently tanked at the collection numbers. Veerappan. Those who were alive and well aware of the social and political affairs in the 80s and 90s know it well about a bandit Veerappan, the heavily mustached terror face in the forest of Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, who used to be a notorious poacher and smuggler. He had also killed about approximately 184 people during the time, half of them were police officers. The role was played by Sandeep Bhardwaj and the film was created by Ram Gopal Verma. The film failed at the box office collection due to average story and lack of star power. Rang Rasiya. It is the story of a famous Indian painter Raja Ravi Verma who made paintings of God in human form. The lead role was played by Randeep Hooda along with Nandana Sen as his love interest. The film was delayed due to the objections of the censor board for some scenes in the film and it was released but only after a delay of 6 long years. Due to the delayed release and low promotion, it didn't materialize fairly on the collection. Azhar. We all know the famous Indian skipper named Muhammad Azharuddin aka Azhar. In 2000, he was banned due to allegations of match fixing and could never play for India ever again. His biopic Azhar came out with Imran Hashmi playing the title role, showing Azhar's side of the story. The film, however, failed at the box office as it was accused of showing the incorrect details and giving the clean sheet clearly to Azharuddin as opposed to the facts of the case and the real encounters with CBI stated otherwise. Hence, it didn't impress the audience due to many subplots. Sarbjeet. We really feel this one should have been successful. Randeep Hooda, playing the title role of Sarbjeet Singh, went through dramatic physical transformation to play the role, putting his life into risk. It is a story of Sarbjeet Singh, who inadvertently crosses the national border of India in a drunken state in 1990 and gets captured in Pakistan as a suspected agent and later sentenced to death. The drama film, also featuring Aishwarya Rai Bachchan and Richa Chadha, was acclaimed by critics, but it was also criticized to be excess dramatic. Also, the revenue collection numbers showcased the dire state of the film at the box office. Randeep Hooda can be considered as the master of biopics, as his talent and work ethics can be compared to none. Hawai Zada. Hawai Zada was a story of an Indian inventor Shivkar Bapuji Tarpade, who invented an aeroplane before Wright brothers. There are several mentions and witnesses of the happening of the event, but was never published during the time back then that had concrete proof. Even after having some misplaced proofs and mentions, it remained a theory that unfortunately didn't become a historic event that it deserved to be. The title role was played by Ayushmann Khurrana along with Pallavi Sharda. The film was out of the place in execution and didn't do justice to the legendary story. It was subsequently bombed at the collections. Khele Hum Ji Jaan Se. It is a story that dates back to pre-independence era, narrating the tale of Surya Sen, who led the Chittagong uprising. The film was directed by Ashutosh Gowarikar, featuring Abhishek Bachchan and Deepika Padukone. It garnered several positive reviews, but it failed because of its lengthy writing. It had a potential of becoming a classic drama of British era, but it didn't materialize as expected. Thackeray. The film was based on the legendary political leader of Maharashtra and the founder of the political party Shiv Sena, Balasaheb Thackeray, played by the talented gem Nawazuddin Siddiqui along with Amrita Rao and directed by Abhijit Panse. It showcased several aspects of Balasaheb's life and political career very honestly, which also had some controversial decisions and implementations during his political tenure. Nawazuddin's performance was also brilliant as he made his portrayal very capable and powerful as was required. However, the writing lacked conviction and it received mixed reviews because of it. The film also was unable to create the magic on people as per expectations. Hasina Parkar. After the absconding of Dawood Ibrahim from India, his businesses in Mumbai needed someone to be taken care of. Dawood trusted no one except his sister Hasina Parkar, who eventually became a popular figure in Underworld. The role was played by Shraddha Kapoor. However, from her looks for the character to the acting performances, the movie was criticized and was a disappointment for critics as well as fans. Taj Mahal, an eternal love story. Karan Johar has announced the movie Takht that shows the story of the Mughal dynasty. In 2005, director Akbar Khan also tried to show the story of the Mughal dynasty with the movie Taj Mahal, an eternal love story. It was a below average script and a disappointing execution. It tanked at the cinema halls and audience turned their back on this one. 23 March 1931 Shaheed. We have witnessed several legendary Bhagat Singh dramas and films till date. There was another one with Bobby Deol in the title role of legendary figure Shri Bhagat Singh, along with Sunny Deol playing the character of another freedom fighter Shri Chandrasekhar Azad. As Shahid Bhagat Singh is one of the most loved freedom fighter whose story influenced many filmmakers to direct a film on him, this one too is based on his story. However, this one had the lowest collection of the Shahid Bhagat Singh movies. Anna. You know who Anna Hazare is, right? No? Well, he became famous after his Indian anti-corruption movement against the government. It might seem like people wanted to know more about him, and surprisingly, a biopic was made on the Indian social activist Anna Hazare, directed and also acted by Shashank Udapurkar in the title role. However famous Sri Anna Hazare was, the audience did not turn up in the cinema halls to witness his story and the film tanked at the box office. So that was the list. Tell us what you think of these films. Have you missed any to add to the list? Do let me know in the comments. Also suggest which content you would like to be reviewed or discussed. If you like this video, make sure you press the like button down below. Share the video with your friends and family. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Press the bell icon to get all the notifications from this channel for fresh content. Stay tuned for more such sassy and wacky entertainment. Thank you. Signing out.